is Excel Unit A, the Visual Workshop. We begin by opening a file called EXA-5. You'll find that in the Excel A folder. And we are told to make it match what we see on page 24 in your textbook. So we need to start by entering formulas here in D4. So we'll click on D4, and what we want to do is multiply the quantity times the price. So formulas all begin with an equal sign, and then we'll click B4, use the asterisk symbol to multiply, click on C4, and press enter. And you could have reversed that. It could have been quantity times sale price. Now that we have that formula in, we're going to use our fill handle, which is this little box at the corner right of the cell. And if you just double click that, it fills that formula down. It's always a good idea to look at the next formula to make sure that it is calculating as you wish. And we can see from the formula bar that this one is B5 times C5, which is correct. Now let's go down to the bottom of column B and let's add these up. A quick way to do that is if you're in the Home tab, click the Auto Sum button, look at it, verify that it is correct, and then click it again. Again, we'll do that here. Click the Sum button, verify that it's correct, and click it again. And then, of course, at the same time, we're adding this number up. They didn't ask for this in the textbook, so I think I'm going to erase this cell by just clicking the Delete key. Now, what I do see is that all of the numbers in the textbook have 2 decimals. We want 2 decimals in column B, so we'll select that column, and then holding down Control, we'll select the column D, the non-adjacent column. And then we're going to go to our Home tab, choose the number format, and we'll choose a number format with 2 decimal places. So let's click OK, and you can see that those look great. Now the next thing to do is to create a header. There's several ways to do it. The way I like to do it is to go to Page Layout and to click the More button. When you do, you'll get the Page Setup dialog box and go into Header and Footer and create a custom header. You'll want to type your name in the left section, and I see that they have inventory items shown as a header in the center. So go ahead and type that there and click OK. We can do a print preview and see how this will look. It's a little small, but you can see that it all fits easily on one page. So I'll go back. And then they also want you to print this with the formula showing. To do that, you press Control tilde, and that will open this up and show you the actual formulas. So when you go to print that, you'll see that you see the formulas here. And so they'll want you to print it both ways, once showing formulas and once without. This is the end of the video, other than the fact that you do need to save the file. So do a Save As and save it as EXA Inventory Items.